In this video, I'm showing you how you position images on Microsoft Word, simple and easy. So let's say we want to add an image here. So we tap on this section here, we move to the Insert tab. From Home, we move to Insert tab. You see an image here, which is a picture from this device. I'm selecting it from this device, and let's try add any image like that. Let's add this shoe image. Good. And now when you add anything on Microsoft Word, you have the Edit tab opened and you can see it's a picture format, and this is the position we are talking about. Good. So this is the first one which we have here in line with the text, and we have this here which is on top. You can see the images here when you're doing that on your PC, and this here, and this is also here, and this is how it's going to look like. This is in between the text, on the text, and this is another. And this is also another below the text. So that's it on how you position your image on Microsoft Word. It's up to you how you want to position it. And I think in my previous video I talked about how you add an alt text and everything. So yeah, so to add an alt text to an image, let's tap on the picture format. Here you see this alt. The document pictures can be read. So yeah, it's going to let them know what the picture is about. Or the callers know this image is maybe a technology image or a PC or something like that. It's kind of letting you know what this image is about, something like that. And then wrapping the image, and you can add couple formats things here too as well to the image, depends on what you want to do. I think I did something here which is nicer. Yeah, I've talked about all this. This video's main aim is to show you the positioning. So that's it. I think I'm done with that. So if you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.